Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be upgrading the ignition coils on our 2010 Camaro SS with the Pro Series Extreme Kit from Granatelli. These coils are going to be a great improvement over the worn out factory coils because after 74,000 miles, these could use an upgrade to allow us to burn all the air-fuel charge with a much hotter spark while also improving our throttle response. The direct bolt-on replacement nature of these coils allows us to easily improve our fuel economy and idle characteristics quickly and easily with these coils that can produce nearly twice the voltage output. Now these coils will fit the 2010 to 2015 SS, ZL1, and Z28 models. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your ignition system, these Granatelli coils would be a great start. To get the coils removed, we are going to start by removing the spark plug wires from the factory coil. Then we can remove the two 10mm bolts holding the factory coil to the mounting bracket and unclip the harness to completely remove the coil. Now we can simply install the Granatelli coil right back in place, reusing the factory hardware to mount the coil to the mounting bracket. Then reclip the factory harness to the new coils. Repeat this process on all of the coils to complete the installation. With the coil swapped, we decided to go ahead and get a set of Granatelli 8mm 0 ohm resistant spark plug wires to get as much ignition spark to the combustion chamber as possible. They're going to go right back in the factory location. All we have to do is transfer over the factory heat sleeve and put them in place. There you have it guys, the Granatelli coil and wire combination is an easy upgrade if you're looking to swap out the worn out factory components. With the coils packing a punch nearly twice the power of the factory coils and the 0 ohm resistance wires, we're sure to start burning all the air-fuel mixture, allowing the engine to work more efficiently. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.